Hey everybody! In today's video, we'll show you how to fix the Snapchat support code ss07 error that says due to repeated attempts or other suspicious activity, your account has been temporarily disabled. So hey everybody, if you're also getting this kind of error, in today's video, we'll get your account unlocked step by step. So let's get started. So what we can do is we can use Snapchat's official unlock base for that. You can head over to a browser, and once you access your browser, you can go over and in the search type in accounts dot snapchat.com/accounts, type in that, and then type in /unlock. After that, hit enter. And once you hit enter, you will be taken to the official site where you can unlock your account. So what you need to do is in this page, log in with your Snapchat username in this box right here or your email address. After that, tap on next and enter your password. And if your account is locked, you just need to tap on unlock and wait a few minutes, and then your Snapchat app should open up and you can try logging in again and see if that works. Apart from that, you can try reinstalling the official Snapchat application from the Play Store or App Store. Hold it up, look out for the install option and tap on it, confirm it up. Once it is done, go to Play Store. And from Play Store, you can go to the search. And from here, just go over and search for Snapchat. After that, just go over and download Snapchat once again in your device and try logging in again. If Snapchat detects repeated failed logins, your account may stay locked for some short of time, so you can wait for 24 to 48 hours before trying again. If you still get the error code, you can go to Snapchat support for that. So you need to open up a browser for that once again, and you can go to support.snapchat.com. So type in support.snapchat.com and hit enter, and you should be taken to their official site. You can look out for the option of I do not have access to my account or my account is compromised. After you go ahead and choose one of the options, you should be given up a form where you need to fill out the form. So you can look out for that form option and just go over and provide in all the necessary information such as your username, email, description. And in the description, make sure to write that you are getting the support code ss07 error code and you have stopped using third-party applications and you want to unlock your account. And then once you do so, once you tap on submit, Snapchat should usually reply within 2 to 5 business days. And also don't log in on multiple devices at once and always use the official Snapchat application. And that's how you should be able to fix the Snapchat support code ss07. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. If this video helped you, drop a like, comment, and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.